Good day, learners. We are still in Access, and one of the things that always comes up in Access, inside your forms and your reports, and let me just open this form over here so you can see inside my form and inside my report. When I go to my design view, what you'll usually see is these things over here, our text boxes and labels. So we just quickly want to chat about the difference between a text box and a label, because whether I'm in my form, and I'm going to go to my design view, and whether I'm in my report and I go to design view, I'm going to be using the same things. So let's go into the form and let's go to the design view, and you'll see up here on top, I've now got format. Let me just open this a bit more. I've got format, I've got arrange and form design. So under form design, these controls here, you'll see I've got a text box and I have a label. So we want to just make sure we understand the difference between the two. If I click on label, see how my mouse pointer changes, and I'm going to drag that and I'm going to type in, this is a label, label, and I change my view. Do you see that it is in the form footer? But when I click on it, nothing happens, because this is just a label like these over here. So I can't edit it, right? It's just, I'm putting in text. It's going to be there, but I can't edit that. When I go back to design view, if I now go text box and I do exactly the same thing, look what happens now. I've suddenly got two boxes. One is a label and the other is a text box. Now, how do I know that? If I change my view again, do you see over here, text 32, that's the default. When I click on it, nothing happens, which means it is a label. But in the other one, I can type in. So just understand that your label is a box on its own, which cannot be edited, right? So if the person gets the form, they can't edit the label, but the text box, you can enter text in there. Now, I can always delete the label if I want to and just have the text box, but this is the difference between the two. Now, when I go into my report, just to show you it's exactly the same, and I go to design view, I'm now going to go to report design. I'm going to click on text box, and can you see exactly the same thing happens, a label with a text box. If I click on just label, I'll only get a label. Now, when I change my view, you can see there's my label, and there's my label with the text box. So I hope this helps you understand and see the difference between a label and a text box.